Hey, it's Connor here, and today I'm going to show you my Lego Coke machine. This is it right here. Oops. That was it. Sorry. It just looks like that. So what you do, you put this back in. Okay, first you put the quarter in, then you pull this, and it comes out. Sometimes you gotta push it, like that. And then what you do is, pull this thing out right here. And that thing comes out right there. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.